ever find. As long as you live, someone who loves you tender like I do, you'll never find. No matter where you search, someone who cares about you the way I
dig in a little more. This is not an interview, although any next steps you'll hear from us, in the coming days for any next steps. So tell me just a few things. You're both in Atlanta, the two of you?
No, I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. He's in Fresno, California.
150K for 6%, y'all know.
Yeah. So would that be enough to get him to quit?
Yeah, easily would be enough for him to quit.
Okay. And so...
Yeah, so recently we've been working on a lot of just minuscule things. We kind of took a break, ironically, as well. I got surgery, Nathan, the CTO, he got surgery. We want to launch a pilot and beta program this month of November. We need to have a few pilots on board. Customize the AI agent, so their look, their tone and voice when speaking. Next thing, we have a call again, which is called another accelerator program. I have a few friends that actually got, and they give you $300K for 6% equity. And it's more than just equity. I think it's a lot of the partnerships they have. It's what we want to align my company with and connect with, and I believe that they'd be perfect for that. So you will see parts of that call later as well. That call's in 4 hours. There's 121 right now. That's at 5:30. And tonight we have an election day party, so let's see how that is.
And happy to answer any questions after that, but then we'd love to just learn more about both of you and how you decided to join forces and start a company, and then we can jump into the company itself, if that works. Been investing in venture since 2019, and it's almost 3.5 years now. We did the majority of our pre-investment efforts, so doing diligence on prospective investments, and then
I guess I can start. Gera, Baano started the second from Chicago, Illinois. Went to Ross College, graduated with a software engineering degree with a minor in math, and really just been, building apps since I was 12 years old, coding for a while. Always been wanting to start my own business.
and wanted to go to medicine, and then later on switch.
I like this lens, it's not heavy.
Pretty productive day, had a lot going on. I had 2 meetings. I also had a meeting with HVK, 300K. This was literally a $500,000 day today. Insane. Shout out to Nathan hopping on the calls. Today's election day too, so pretty excited. I'm gonna go upstairs, say something to my homies, and there's a day off. So call it a day.
And you saw your girlfriend today.
I see my girlfriend.
Yo, all my L's, they call me the V. Aye, yo, she and I fuck my ex, got on sexy, red in the V. No, she'll get in her feelings if I put on some R&B. If I put on that Gen
In this room, man, we participate in democracy. Appreciate all y'all, and yeah, we're gonna see what it do. So.
See what it do.
My party here, brother. Good vibes, good people, good food. Practicing democracy.
Okay, future me here, that's past me, if you know, that's what I do in my videos. That was literally $500,000 day right there in terms of investment, which is huge for us. If you don't know, I own Polymath.ai, first AI workforce for small and medium-sized businesses, and we streamline your business from A to Z, automate everything with these AI employees that you can hire from us. So if you want to use the beta, link description. If you want to join us as a team, link in the description. If you want to join our Discord, link in the description. And if you want to build your own SaaS or app platform, or even you get $100,000 in funding for your idea, or you want to get a tech career, make $100K from tech, join the school community. We teach all that below as well. So everything in the link description though. But right here, we're watching a lecture day party. Good vibes, good people. Shout out to Lemire and all his friends for being very welcoming to me, because that's his friend group. I just show up just because we stay in the same building. You about to see me and my boy Zah about to hit the hills. We've been going to the hills. So this is the hills last day. Let's see how it goes. It's a good workout. You see a lot of people up there. You see a lot all the time. And I even had a person come up to me and say he liked my videos, which is hilarious. So if you see me in person, come up to me. My day better that people actually watch the videos and enjoy the videos. So I appreciate you 100%. Go to some apartment tours, because I don't know if I'm moving to DC yet. So just keep up with it. And we're gonna, just keep with the vlog. We'll see, okay? I'm posting 2 times a week. I'm consistent right now. I know you seen the second video of the week. Let's hurry up. 1.
Just please.
Wait,
okay.
Sorry.
No, you said one and you
Where we at?
You know, we at Hills, you know.
Nigga cheesing right now.
You know, this is the last one. We had a lot of adventures out here, so you know, it's cool to get that one last one there.
I ain't been up here since like 3 months. Be quite interesting. It don't seem this packed. I remember like one of the first couple times, that shit looked like it was like a concert.
For real though. They had like the protein shit over there.
Nah, yeah, it had like sponsorship vendors, all types of shit. But yeah, it's packed right now. We're gonna hop in late, but we're gonna hop in still.
Hell yeah. You know the vibes. Gotta keep our record going.
I'm gonna put it back. Okay. I guess we all sprint. Oh, I think we're doing the wraparound. Oh shit. Oh yeah, we doing that little wraparound thing. That's what it is. Damn. Oh. I gotta do 20 spot jump. I bet. I'm gonna put that down real quick.
They still good.
I'm gonna put y'all up real quick. I said tired.
So in Atlanta, we got water boys. So they come up to your window and they knock in your window, stare at you in your eye, ask you for a few dollars or whatnot, and they will be at your window if they see you got money for a minute, like 5 minutes, until that light, and you be like, yep.
I didn't make you uncomfortable.
Brother, man. They be out here hustling, man.
Alright, so pretty late though. Still like, I think the flight's boarding right now though, but it doesn't matter. Let me see if Quincy and Alex at the gate. But yeah, we here. I didn't finish the coding from last night though, so I'm gonna try to finish some code while I'm on the flight, but let's go.
I didn't think you were gonna make it. You're like that's what I'm doing. I don't know what else
about to tell you.
Hey, you know, this is my first time meeting Alex right here.
Oh, in real life, yeah.
It's my
in
first
real
time meeting.
life.
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought you were gonna be shorter.
That's insane. That's insane. I ain't feel like girls be saying all the time, like, hey, like you look like you 5'10", 5'10". Insane.
And it's so hard when I know in my heart I'm letting you down every day. Letting you down every day. Why do I keep on running away?
Future me again. You see I'm touring apartments in DC. I'm looking at all type of areas: Navy Yard, Wharf, Capitol, Georgetown, Tyson's, by the airport, Arlington. Like, I'm looking literally all around. So you can see a lot of different apartments, and the content of the apartments isn't as nice just because I don't like to be one of those people that is just walking around on camera, and I don't want, as at least an agent, feel uncomfortable. So I try to be real conservative about their space and their time as well. But yeah, you see me looking at spots in Atlanta and in DC. And to be honest, before anyone's like, oh, before anyone says something like, oh, you're spending all your money before you even get the money, I don't know if you can tell. My apartment right now in Atlanta, the ceilings are like 25 feet. I'm not saying I'm doing extremely well, but I'm doing well for my age. I've been doing well. I've been in the 1% of my age since I was 12 years old. I've been making money forever. So just to reiterate this to any investors or anyone who wants to join PodMap.ai, I'll be giving myself a $1 salary. I don't know how long, the first couple years, 3 years, but it could even be forever. As long as the equity right and you can hire the top talent and they understand that they're being compensated, they're being comped correctly. That's the main thing I care about. I care less about me. I can live with my parents for a whole year. If I'm a millionaire, I can live with my whole parents for a whole year. I don't care. Even if I'm broke, I can live with my parents for a whole year. I don't care. But some of these units here, the price range in DC isn't as high as I thought it was. I thought DC was kind of like New York. DC is kind of like maybe 15% higher than Atlanta. Let's say if you want our sales agent, the beta should be out December 1st, and we're gonna start charging people around Christmas time. Lead generation, so it grabs leads for you. It can create a personalized email or LinkedIn message to each person that grabs leads for them, and it can categorize each. It can categorize each email and lead, so if it's warm, cold, depending on how many times they open and close it, but also if they respond to you, you can keep the automation up, have your AI agent keep automating the email or the LinkedIn messages until you close a deal and sends out an invoice, or until you close the sales call and they can schedule a call with you, and they can connect to your Google Calendar API to see what availability you have as well. So it's really simple. I can get more deeper into some of the features that we have that other people don't, but I'll do it in the next video. But back to the video, I've been yapping forever. It's late. I've been telling you, I haven't been getting no sleep. I've been up all night. It's 5 a.m. I've been up all night. I haven't gotten no sleep for the last 2 weeks. Okay? Yeah. But hey, let's go. I love y'all. Let's keep this work up. Let's keep this consistent. Get some code out the way too. Documents out the way. Get some research out the way. Let's keep this going. I am exhausted, I know. But when you know something early on, it's gonna take a lot of sleepless nights. It's gonna take a lot of nights you're not eating. So shout out to Chipotle. But I love y'all. Let's go. One. Like bigger than this?
No, this will be big as yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's big as
Gera.
Gera.
G-E-R-A. Yeah.
So we're gonna go right next door really quickly here. So the other unit is similar to.
This is nice ass. How would you think, Jada?
I love it. I put a cute look. Damn, it's in my face. Put a nice little table here. Because it's like the sun coming in when it's setting. It's going to be just golden.
Okay.
Put a couch here. We'll put the TV on the swivel.
This girl jealous. She thinks she interior designer or something.
Right, and I ain't got nothing to design my own apartment.
Oh, man. I definitely like how big the living space is for sure. Where would you put like a dining set, Jetta? If you could.
One. Peace. Yeah, we come in peace. From the west to the east, north to the south, in the belly of the beast. One, two. It feels like don't be sitting, watch the sky turning heather grey. Black and white, watching money leading men astray. Falling in and out of light as the heavens spray. We mix the whiskey with the lemonade. Trying to counteract the methyl phenidate. Used